Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable a Facebook restricted setting to protect your privacy from phone. Okay, first step, open your Facebook app, then open menu. If you use Android device, tap on three lines at the top right corner. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. From now, any steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS device are the same. We just scroll down and select settings and privacy, then go to settings, and now we change all privacy. Now scroll down and find menu audience and visibility. First option we change on how people find and contact you. Here first option, who can see your friends list, select only me, then go back. Who can send your friend request, select friends of friends, then go back. Who can look you up using the email address you provided, and then select only me, go back. Then phone number, who can see, select only me, go back. And do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile, and just swipe the slider to the left side to disable it and tap on from pop-up menu disable. Now just go back again, go back on main menu settings, then select followers and public content. Here change one of this option, who can see your followers on your timeline, select only me, then scroll down, and here we can change all public notification, for example this one, and select only friends, then scroll down. Who can get notification, no one. Public profile info, select only friends can see this option. Now go back and select profile and tagging. Now who can post on your profile? You can select only me, of course, go back. Who can see what are the posts on your profile? Select tap on more and select only me, then go back. Allow others to share your post to their stories. You can select yes or no, of course no, then go back. Tagging, who can tag in you, select only me, go back, then scroll down a little bit. Okay, when you tag in, select only me, just select all this option on only me. Review text on your post, we can stay here, and that's it. Of course we change all settings, of course, on only me, and that means only you can see your post and others option. Also you can change your active status, and of course swipe the slider to the left side to disable this option, and no one can see you when you're online on Facebook. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.